So with this video is going to explain how to work Google Meets. Google Meets I think is going to be one of our best options as far as getting to answer your questions, me seeing your work. If I assign some problems in the book that you just can't upload in Moodle and it works too many pages, then this would be a great platform for me to actually with your camera show me the pictures in the book and I can check it that way. Also, to answer any questions that you might have as far as the work is concerned. And again, it'll be our best way of just trying to communicate um, back and forth since this is the way we're going to have to go as far as the class is concerned for face to face. So let me go ahead and get started showing you. Here, you click on this Google Apps with the little dots, and this is where it's called Google Meet. You really don't really have to click on any of this stuff because I'm actually going to send you a link through email. So this is just what I'm doing for starting it up. So I'm just going to name it practice. This one is the camera, and this one here is the microphone. So I'm going to click on join now. I'm going to add people. This is where I'm going to add you specifically if you have a question or if a group of people, if we all have the kind of the same question. I'm just going to put in a random email from me so you can actually see how everything goes and what it looks like. So I'm going to hit send. I'm going to go check my you see it has been already been sent from on my side. So I'm going to check my email. Here it is, just pop up happening now. Michael Hansen just invited you to a video meet. So this is where you hit join meeting. I'm going to actually do this on my phone so we can kind of see it both ways. So as you can see, this is what my phone actually looks like when I actually clicked on the link in here in my to join meeting, and I'm actually using my phone. So this is where you can use your camera to maybe look at pages in your book. Now it's not the best, as you can see, camera in the world, but maybe we can, get kind of somewhere as far as seeing your work or maybe a question that you might have. You also have the ability, I'm going to actually send something on my phone as far as a question, and then I see it down here that I sent hello as far as a question is concerned. And you can also talk back and forth. So even if you didn't have a mic, we can still communicate by talking back and forth. So this is just a way that I wanted to make sure everybody understand and something out there for us to use as a platform for to do kind of face to face. So I think that's about it. If you don't want your camera to be shown, you can always go to the camera and just turn it off, and then whatever icon that you have, it will just show that icon just like that. And if you need to turn it back on, you can turn your camera back on just like that. So I think that's all that I can show you on far as Google Meet. I hope that helps and probably eases some of the things that as far as us communicating back and forth with. Thank you.